There was a man who lost his wealth, lost his health, and lost his own children. And he never once complained to people, only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today I want to tell you his story and why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him back more than he lost. We all go through hard time. Some of us lose jobs, some lose someone we love, and some lose health, our fees, our money, and sometime all at once. In those moments, we ask, why me and why now? This is a prophet in the Quran who lost more than almost anyone. His name was Ayyub alayhi salam. You may know him as a Job. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Surah Al-Anbiya, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. Let's talk about what happened to him and what happened after. Ayub alayhi salam was a prophet and he had wealth, land, animal, and a large family. By every measure, his life was full. Then slowly it was all taken away. His wealth disappeared, his children passed away, and his own body became sick, so sick that for years, and he could barely move. Most people, after losing this much, would break. They would be angry to the world and angry to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But Ayub alayhi salam did something different. He didn't blame anyone. He didn't even complain to people around him. He turned only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and said one simple line, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful. That's it. No demand, no anger, just trust. For years this continued. People around him forget him. Some even avoided him, but he kept his patience. He kept his trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala even when there was nothing left to hold on to. Expect the trust. Now think about on your own life. Maybe you lost a job and you don't know how you will pay the next month bills. Maybe you lost someone you love and the house feel too quiet now. Maybe your health isn't what it used to be and you feel like your body has betrayed you. In those moments, it's easy to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala why. It is human, even a prophets feel the pain. But look at what Ayub alayhi salam did with that pain. He didn't perform. He didn't perform patience for the other people to see. He turned to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala quietly, honestly, and keep asking for mercy. Not for the thing to be undone, but for the strength to carry on. This is the real sabr, not pretending you are okay. Just continue to trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala even while it's hurt. After years of this, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala answer him. In the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, so we responded to him. So we removed what affected him of adversity. We gave him his family and double of them. As a mercy from us, read that again. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't just give back what he lost, he gave him double. This is the part we forget when we are in the pain. Loss is not always the end of the story. Sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is rebuilding something better. We can see it yet, but because we are still in the middle of it. So, what does this mean for you today? If you are in the hard season right now, you don't need to pretend it doesn't hurt. Ayub alayhi salam didn't pretend either. He just kept turning to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instead of turning away. Tonight, if you are carrying loss of a person, job, your health, in anything. Say what Ayub alayhi salam said. Adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful. Let that be enough for tonight. You don't need to fool the answer right now. You just need to keep trusting on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ayub alayhi salam almost lost everything and he gained it back and double. Not because he demanded, but because he never let go of his trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whatever you have lost, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala see it, and He is capable of giving you back more than you ever imagined. If this reminder, if this reminded you of someone going through a hard time, send it to them today. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.